Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi students, how's life? I hope that you all are always in a fabulous condition. So in today's video lesson, you are going to study about present perfect continuous tense. Let's pray together before we jump into the next slide. Pray by our own faith, begin. Pray finished. So let's jump into the next slide to talk about more ya. Definition of present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is a tense that describes about an incident which is starting in past and still going on until now. Jadi present perfect continuous tense itu adalah sebuah tenses yang mendeskripsikan mengenai sebuah kejadian atau insiden yang dimulai di masa yang dimulai di masa lampau, tapi kejadian tersebut masih terjadi di masa sekarang ini atau masih berlanjut ya, still going on. Jadi gampangnya itu adalah present perfect continuous tense adalah sebuah tenses yang mendeskripsikan sebuah kejadian yang dimulai di masa lampau, tetapi kejadian tersebut masih berlangsung hingga sekarang ini. Something like that ya. Okay, let's jump into the next slide to talk about more. The uses of present perfect continuous tense atau penggunaan dari present perfect continuous tense. It is used when you want to describe an incident that occurred in the past ya, atau terjadi di masa lampau, and it is still occurring in the present, atau yang masih berlanjut di masa yang akan datang. Jadi maksudnya kejadian yang sudah terjadi di masa lampau, tetapi kejadian tersebut masih sedang terjadi di masa sekarang ini, or in the present ya. Look this, waktu sekarang, something like that. Let's jump into the next slide. Example of the sentences that use present perfect continuous tense, atau contoh-contoh dari kalimat yang menggunakan present perfect continuous tense. Oke, yang pertama, Osama has been applying a job. Osama has been applying a job. The second one, they have been becoming a tutor. Then the third one, Jason has been beautifying his pets. The last one, Osa and Jason have been participating. Do you find differences between those sentences? Very great. In Osama we must use has, and in they we must use have. In Jason we must use has, and in Osa and Jason we must use have as a modal verb. Kenapa di Osama menggunakan has? Kenapa di they menggunakan have? Kenapa di Jason menggunakan has? Dan kenapa di Osa dan Jason menggunakan have? Well, let's jump into the next slide to talk about it. The formation of present perfect tense. Ini dia formasinya supaya kalian gak bingung. Untuk positive sentence kita ada subject plus has atau have plus been plus verb ing ya, seperti doing, joining, going, applying, enacting, and so on. And then in a negative sentence we have subject plus has or have plus not because it's negative, and then plus been, the last one plus verb ing. And then for the interrogative sentence, has or have ya, so you must put has or have in the beginning of the sentence, and then plus subject plus been plus verb ing, something like that ya. Okay, let's see the example. The first one we have, you have been flapping. You as a subject plus have plus been plus verb ing. Why we use have? because the subject is you, and for the subject I, we, you, they always use have. Jadi subjeknya I, we, you, they menggunakan have ya. Jika subjeknya I, we, you, they menggunakannya have. Tapi jika subjeknya he, she, it, and human's name, nama orang satu, menggunakannya has. Okay, and then the second one, you have not been flopping. You as a subject plus have plus not plus been plus verb in. You can understand ya, it's so easy, right? Then the last one, interrogative sentence. Put the have or has in the beginning of the sentence as a model verb. Jadi taruh has atau have-nya di depan kalimat ya. Jangan lupa interrogative sign-nya. Wait. Jangan lupa tambahkan ini ya. Interrogative sign. Well, have plus subject plus been plus verb in, something like that. Understand ya, it's so easy, right? Okay, answer appropriately. The first one, they has or have been come or coming. So which is the best answer for it? They have been coming. Very great. Then the second one, she has been plucked or plucking. Plucking because been ya. Very great. She has, look, she has menggunakan has. Di sini they menggunakannya have. Okay, then the last one. Last one, Osa and Jason have ya been grinding. Okay, Osa and Jason menggunakannya have karena people's name atau nama-nama orang yang lebih dari satu. Well, let's jump into the next slide ya. I think you guys have understood. Assignment. Tell me what have I done there. Use positive, negative, also interrogative sentences. Okay? So don't forget to do this job. Jangan lupa untuk mengerjakan tugas ini ya. Thanks a million. Okay, thank you so much students for joining my class till now. I hope that you all can take a benefit from this video, and don't forget to always learning and learning, because if you learn you will never regret it. Okay, if you guys still don't understand about it, you can repeat the tuition anymore and you can understand it. I believe it. So thanks so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.